Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job days in English. So for you guys, there is recruitment from NMDC, which is Navratna company, for the position of executive trainee, and this recruitment is through GATE exam. Okay, so those who give GATE 2021, yes, you can apply. Other candidate, those who GATE 2019, 20 or 22, they can't apply. Okay, salary will be 11 lakh per annum, and which is a good salary. Branches are mechanical, electrical, mining, triple E, electrical, electronics, okay, power electronics and production. Yes, you can apply. Total vacancies are 29. And now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start our video. So first important point is 60% aggregate should be there, okay, for general OBC, EWS, and 50% aggregate for SC, ST, PWD guys. Posting will be in Hyderabad, but after some time, definitely NMDC is setting plants in other state also, so they can post you there also. Okay, there is no problem in that. Process is gate score, GD, and interview. The weightage for gate score is 70 marks. For GD, it is 15, and for interview, it is 15. So total merit list will be declared based on your 100 marks. Okay. Training will be 1 year, and in that train period, you will get 50,000 and 40,000 approximately. And after that, definitely they can observe you on the pay scale of 60,000 basic salary. Okay. The ratio for GD and interview is 1:10, means for one vacancy, total 10 candidates will fight. Definitely the interview ratio is good. So you need to prepare very good for your GD and interview. Okay, because lots of candidates they will call for the process. And there are some position at which you can apply. There are multiple branches, multiple posts can apply. Okay, but only one position you need to fill. Now, obviously, in the video, I will tell you the position and everything. Age limit is 25th of March for cutoff, and general EWS 27, OBC 30, SSC 33, PWD 37, general OBC 40 and SST 43. Important SR form already started and it will end on 25th of March. Okay, in the comment section or in the description, I will give you the link. So just fill the form carefully. GDN interview, till now there is no date, but definitely you can expect the GDN interview in your May or June. Okay, so prepare likely. Then fees will be 500 rupees for general OBC, EWS, SST 0 and PWD 0. Okay, now we will see categories and post wise breakdown. So first post is for electrical guys. Okay, ET electrical. Total 6 vacancies are there for you. Open 2, OBC 1, EWS 1, SST 1. Qualification, now see those who complete BE Tech in electrical and electronics, power system and high voltage. Okay, you can apply, but condition is you should give GATE exam in electrical only. That is paper code should be electrical. Okay, so all the branches are eligible if you give your GATE paper in electrical engineering. Okay. Second post is for mechanical. So mechanical 10 vacancies are there, open 4, OBC 3, EWS 0, SC 2 and ST 1. And if you complete your BE Tech in mechanical production, mechanical automation, mining machinery with the GATE paper code of mechanical, that is you give GATE exam in mechanical, then definitely you can apply. Next vacancy is for mining. So those who complete BE Tech in mining and paper code is MN, you can apply to this post. Only 4 vacancies are there, open 3 and OBC 1. Okay, for all there is no vacancy, so you need to apply in open category. Okay, now this post, that is material management. Okay, so for this post total 9 vacancies are there, open 4, OBC 3, SC1 and SC1. ST no vacancies, so you need to apply in open category. Now those who complete BE Tech in mining, electrical and mechanical, okay, not sub branches, they only want main branches here, you can apply. Definitely get paper code for electrical, mining MN and mechanical ME. Okay, so now you need to think whether to apply to your respective branch position or this position, that is material management. Okay, so think wisely, just search few things on net and everything, and don't go just blindly on vacant number of vacancies. Okay, as you here 9, because definitely here competition will be also high. Okay, that is if there are 9 vacancies, it's a total 90 candidates they will call for this post. So just take care of this also, right? Now, how you can prepare for GD and interview. So for NMDC, basically interview is a basic interview. Okay, more questions are inclined towards HR, and technical question will be also there definitely. And for that 2 to 3 subject you need to prepare very good. Okay, so they will ask you which is your favorite subject, and definitely 2 to 3 subject they will ask. So accordingly they will ask you the questions based on your responses on that. GD will be easy, 20 minutes approximately you will get time, and for that you need to discuss the topic. Okay, with conclusion you will end it. Now, whatever tips and tricks how to prepare for GD and everything, just I will mention our podcast of Apna Government Job channel in the comment section. So just go through the videos. Our expert share very good views on GD and interview preparation. Okay, especially of IOCL podcast. Then your HPCL podcast is there. Okay, and whatever podcasts are necessary for you to watch for NMDC recruitment, I will give you in the comment section. Right. So just watch that podcast and prepare like this. So definitely out of this 30 marks you can score maximum marks, okay, which is important for your merit time. And if you think and if you have any query, any doubt, definitely you can DM me on Instagram. You can mail us on gmail.com, okay, and you can just means comment down below. Definitely I will help you there, okay. If you want any guidance for GD interview, definitely I will, you can help, just mail that and I will definitely help you guys, okay. So just subscribe to our channel and compulsory join our Telegram group to get all the updates regarding the PSUs and other exams. All the best.